Okay, I know this isn't the most ideal situation because I'm cutting wheat, but this is an app from Miller Welding. It's basically a reference for all things the kids would need while they're welding. So you can come in here and select like an operation, like we chose stick welding, and we're going to choose mild steel here. So now there's a reference for whatever electrodes they're using, whatever size that electrode is. It's not every electrode they could possibly weld with, but anything we're going to use in the classroom setting, well, classroom, the shop they have. So we're just going to pick a common 6010, 6011, 1/8 inch. That's the first thing they're going to start out with in my shop. And so what this app will show you is you can see the suggested amperage that they want to run in that 75 to 125 range, the polarity you can run it at. You can run this in alternating current or direct current, electropositive. It's a good reference. Kids don't always remember, and so you don't have to ask 1,000 questions, and they don't feel obligated to ask that. Sometimes they don't like that. It also shows the positions that they can weld in. You can see down there, it welds in all positions, flat, horizontal, and vertical, what the good usages are for it, and a description of the electrode itself. Like, this is a good all-around electrode. We can go back and look at something else, like our second most common 7018, again, 1/8 inch, and we can click on that, and we can see its amperage. You see that that's a higher range, so the kids kind of get a basis of where to start their machines on what they're doing. Again, it's a good electrode, but you'll see some of the differences for like penetration's lower on this, and so they can see that this is made more to finish your welds and make them look pretty. But this is a great app to use for them. It's kind of like their little pocketbook without having to have a pocketbook. Again, I'm sorry if you can hear any wind noise, semi noise, tractor noise, or combine noise, because we're cutting wheat right now, but we're making do with what we got. And yes, I see this as a great tool to use in my classroom. I'm trying to make all 5 of these something that I can use in my classroom, and I'd recommend this to any shop teacher or anybody that wants to go be a welder, just to even to study this. It shows you what a butt weld is, like right here when you're TIG welding, and it's just a great reference for any facets of welding.